I spent the better part of the day driving this IPL on the road, and I absolutely love this car. Now we're at a closed circuit. We're really going to pick up the pace just a little bit. And on these tracks, Rudy, get out of here. It's not your time yet. I'll be back to you in a minute. We've got two courses here that we're going to run, a high-speed course and a low-speed course, to really test the dynamics of this car. The high-speed course will really show the acceleration and the braking of this vehicle, and the low-speed course, the twisty stuff, is going to be absolutely excellent to show the handling characteristics. Let's get after it. We're off to race the helicopter, and I hate to lose. I absolutely love this IPL. What a blast to drive. From its aggressive good looks to the 348 horsepower underneath the hood, to the short throw 6-speed transmission, to the IPL tuned suspension, and also that free-flowing backflow exhaust. Absolutely a great car, almost like a race car on the street. But most importantly today, we beat the helicopter. Rudy, you finished second. And I always love to win the races, and second place for the helicopter, first place for the IPL. For more information on the IPL or other Infiniti luxury vehicles, visit your local Infiniti retailer. Until next time.